Here's how I made $455,000 with Facebook Reels. I'm going to show you the full content strategy right now, okay? So over here, you can see income proof, $455,777 generated through Facebook and other social media as well, all right? But mainly through Facebook, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. Now, here's a really cool thing about Facebook. Even though it's such an old platform, you can still make a lot of money on it, right? And if you take a look at how many followers I have right here, that's 322,000 followers. But here's the thing you need to understand about Facebook is that I don't make a cent from people following me. The way that you make money from these platforms is what you want to do is you want to create content on them and then siphon people off the platform through your sales funnel, and I sell digital products on the back end, other people's digital products. So that's how I generate the income, right? So let me show you step by step. Make sure you save this video, make sure you take notes, all right? And make sure you just follow along, okay? So the way you do it is this is my main Facebook profile, all right? And on here, what I would do is over time, I've kind of, amassed a group of friends, right? And these are just people, from all over the world, people that are interested in my niche, people that are interested in entrepreneurship, building businesses. And the way that you can build up this base is you can just come here to the top and search for different groups. Like for example, entrepreneurship groups, right? And you can go into the groups and you can essentially come down here to groups, right? And search for all the different entrepreneurial groups, and you can just join them for free. And you can see here, 43,000 members, 144,000 members, 23,000 members. And what I would do is just join them and go into that group, and you can just literally request for friendships, right? And that's the way that Facebook works. Since it is a social platform, you can socialize, you can add people, and over time, people will add you back. It's usually about 50% of all people will friend you back if you request friendship with them because you're part of the same group, and that's how it works, right? Don't be too aggressive with it, because if you're trying to friend 100 people a day, then you're going to get flagged by Facebook, which you don't want to do. So do it slowly over time, right? But it starts by you building up your friendship base so that you have a few thousand friends, okay? The limit on Facebook friends is 5,000. So the important part is you need to be able to have friends so that when you make posts, they can see it. Hey, just real quick, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're here for, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? I'll give you an example right now, right? So if I come to the main feed, which is the home feed right here, because I'm friends with all these people, this is the feed that you see. Anytime something pops up on your feed, these are basically your friends sharing these details, okay? They're just sharing the details with you as you're scrolling, right? So you want to have some friends so that you can share stuff and then they can see it, they can comment on it, they can like and share. You see this guy? This is really good, right? 596 likes, 33 comments, and 50 shares. The more shares you get on your content, the more their friends will see it, and the more that their friends will see it, and so on and so forth. And that's how you go viral, okay? So now that you understand the process, what you need to do next is you just need to share as much good content in your space as possible, right? So whatever you decide to focus on, let's just say you love dogs, or let's just say you love weight loss. Maybe you love, helping people with their relationships, or maybe you teach people how to, harvest honey from bees. It could literally be anything. That's what your profile should be about. Then what you would do is you would share content every single day about that particular topic. So I'm in business. I teach people how to make money from home, how to sell digital products. So if you look at my content, it's all about AI. It's all about business. It's all about how to make money from home. It's about how to sell digital products. You see, I have 50 types of digital marketing, right? So what I do is I find content like this. I create my own content as well, and I upload it. And I also upload videos. Okay, now a lot of these videos are just videos that I already upload on Instagram and TikTok, and I just take them and I reuse them on my Facebook channel, right? So if you want to build up income through Facebook Reels, first of all, you need to have other content as well, like this, okay, and content like this. So it's a sort of picture content, Canva content. You can do like posts directly on Facebook like this, and this is how you can start to get some traction. And then on top of that, it's the Reels that makes this strategy go on turbo, okay? Because once people see your stuff and you start getting a bit of traction, when you upload a video, this is how people like really start to go viral with it, right? So you can see here, 52 likes, 24 comments, and then 1 share. So the share there is not that great, right? So this one is as well. So some videos will be a hit, some videos won't be a hit, but the important thing is you need to do it consistently. All right. Now, here's the thing that you have to understand about this particular strategy, right? Because this is a content strategy, you need to be able to upload a lot of content. All right. So you have to get to a point where you're uploading at least 20 to 30 pieces of content every day. All right. So it is slightly time consuming, but if you're free and you want to make a lot of money, this is a great way to get leads. into your sales process and then convert that into sales on the back end, right? Now, what I did with this particular strategy, just to give you some tips, is initially I did it on my own for about a week. And then after doing it for a week, a couple of hours a day, I hired a virtual assistant, and I hire all my virtual assistants from this website called Upwork, right? So you can come right here. You can hire a virtual assistant from the Philippines or India, Pakistan for very cheap, $4 or $5 an hour. And then you can teach them this strategy and they can do it for you. Okay, so this is where the leverage is. So now I've got a virtual assistant that learned this strategy. I taught them how to do it. And then they upload content for me 20 times a day. So now I don't have to do it. I just pay $8 or $10 a day to get them to do it. And then over time, what happens is it compounds and it gets better and better and better. And as you drive more content, more people will see it, and then eventually it goes viral, okay? And as it goes viral, what happens is people are gonna check your content out, and they're gonna be like, oh, who's this, Aaron person, or who's this Sally person, or Bill person, right? And they'll come to your profile, they'll follow you, and you're gonna have a call to action here. Now, my call to action is ex-corporate slave making 1K a day using social media, okay? And then this is my link. It goes straight into my sales funnel where they can opt in. They give me their email address. My sales funnel then takes over. It's all automated. I'm sending them automated emails, automated value. I'm training them for free. And then when I've built enough trust with them, I recommend them digital products on the back end. And that's how I made that $455,000 that you saw in digital product sales, okay? So we're not making money directly from Facebook or TikTok or Instagram. What we're doing instead is we're using these platforms as a way to get attention, right? We want to get in front of people. It's like kind of like free advertising if you think about it, right? So you can talk about anything you want. Again, dog training, harvesting honey from bees, getting jacked, six-pack abs, building businesses. You focus on that, create lots of valuable content for people. It goes viral, okay? Then they check you out, they go through your sales funnel, and they end up buying your product. And that is the full strategy. All right. It's not super complicated. It just requires you to do a little bit of work and for you to understand how the mechanics of all this stuff works. All right. So that's how I generated that income, and anyone can learn how to do this. If you want to learn how to do this too, let me know. You can literally just follow this video. Let me know your comments. Give me some thumbs ups if you got some value today. And if you're like, Aaron, this is awesome, but I would like the real step-by-step behind how you combine all of social media and generate sort of this income on the back end with digital products, I can teach you how to do that. If you would like to learn the step-by-step, I've got a free masterclass that goes into this in a lot of detail. You can check it out in the comment section below. See you there.